How to reset your iPhone. Let's get started. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to reset your iPhone, whether you want a simple restart or a full factory reset to wipe everything clean. First, let's start with soft reset. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will restart without erasing any data. Now for the full factory reset, you will need to open your settings app. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Navigate to the option iCloud. Make sure to back up your data to iCloud or iTunes before doing this. So, click on the option Backup Now. Likewise, make sure you have enabled for these options. Once you back up all of your data, hit Back. Click on the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase All Content and Settings. Now, click on Continue and go through the process. So this is how you can reset your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.